Iginiit ni Bicol Party List Representative John Almario Chan na matagal na siyang walang komunikasyon kay dating Representative Zaldy. Samantala, suportado naman ni Chan ang investigasyon laban sa umunoy 18 ex-Marines. Si Charmaine Abong ng Abante sa Politiko Update.
Dumistansya ang bagong sworn-in na Bicol Party List Representative John Almario Chan kay dating kongresista Zaldy. Kasalukuyang pinaghahanap ng mga otoridad si Ko kaugnay ng umuugong na flood control scandal. Ayon kay Chan, matagal na rin umanong wala siyang komunikasyon kay Ko at mas pinili niyang wag malaman ang kinaroroonan nito habang patuloy ang mga investigasyon.
No, actually, I prefer not knowing, and I also have not been in contact with him. I think the last conversation I've had with Congressman Zaldy was early 2025, so that was way before. Of course, we had to do campaigns, so that's where I was able to talk to Congressman Zaldy. But after the controversy, I haven't been in contact. I haven't been in touch with Congressman Zaldy.
Suportado naman ni Chan ang panawagang masusing investigasyon sa umano'y 18 ex-Marines na naglabas ng mga paratang tungkol sa umano'y money delivery scheme na inuugnay kay Ko at iba pang opisyal. Bilang isang abogado, giit niya na hindi dapat agad humusga sa mga paratang.
When there are allegations, we cannot take it at face value na tama na siya or hindi. As lawyers, we are trained na we should look at the evidence. Based on the evidence, we should weigh which one should be believed, may burden of proving which one is telling the truth. And for me, since we are a democratic, we have a democratic government, we believe in due process. And for me, if there should be an investigation and there should be evidence presented, then yes, I support that a fair opportunity be given to all sides to present it.
Si Chan ang pumalit sa pwestong nabakante matapos magbitiw si Ko, na ngayon ay tinuturing na fugitive from justice matapos maglabas ng warrant of arrest ang Sandigan Bayan para sa mga kasong graft at malversation. Para sa Politiko Nightly, Charmaine Abong, Abante.